Hello, this is Kevin Haj from bimoso GmbH, and today we'll have a quick look at the user interface of Web Intelligence. So as you can see here, Web Intelligence has a quite intuitive user interface. So we have here on the side different options such as accessing the input controls, accessing the navigation of your report. This is when you have a lot of different pages or sheets. Um, User prompt inputs. So you can add here the input for the year, for example, and run the query to get the new information. The available objects based on the query you've used, the document structure, so all of the different elements that are added into the report itself. Shared elements, this is an advanced topic that will be covered later. And certain comments. Now this is only accessible and visible from the BO platform. So this is where you would see comments left by other members of your team, for example. Here, of course, you have creating a new document, saving the document, opening a previously saved document, as well as printing, sending by email, exporting, and so on. And here right below is where you edit the queries for the report. And this is where you refresh the data. Now this is where most of the action happens. So it's divided into multiple tabs. Report elements where you add tables, cells, sections, and different charts. Formatting, so this is where you format every cell, every component in the report with different fonts, the styling, the alignment, and so on. Data access is basically editing the queries, creating new variables based on formulas, and merging one or more dimensions. The analysis is where you play around with the data, so by creating filters or creating input controls that are visible here, as well as creating breaks on tables, drilling down, and also being able to see a filter bar and also the outline of your tables. And finally, the page setup, adding a sheet, duplicating a sheet, deleting a sheet, and setting up for printing purposes the format of the report. So this has been a very quick overview of the Web Intelligence user interface. Thank you, and tune in next time. See you!